Maramang ko. No. Ito na big sabi nga. Kasi maramang ko ng akong ginawa. Blues. Kaya manikwan. Actually, ang pan-ani epekto. Mga katol-katol. Mga insect light. Katol.
Sila, nilwan mo gindala?
Ay, ito.
Alam mo, may opening of lights sa kape.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Anong balita, sir? Anong magagawa natin dito?
Okay lang, okay lang.
Okay lang?
Mayroon tayong ano dito.
Yes.
Ayan o. 42nd anniversary. So wala pa hinihintay natin, no?
Wala pa eh.
Ang hinihintay namin, mga tools and friends, si Attorney John Edward Gando.
Andon.
Ayan, mga tools and friends, good afternoon. So natuntun ko rin sila, no? Natuntun ko rin sila. Dito sila sa barangay Bilya. Bilya Igang. Yan. Ara. So hindi pa nagsimula, no, ang programa dahil inihintay pa si Attorney John Edward Gando. Yan ay Vice Governor ng Province of Guimaras. Yan ang guest of honor and speaker, no, dito sa General Assembly and Fellowship 2024 ng Batch 1982 Philippine Marines. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo ulit, Yan. 6-9ers yan, 6-9ers. For the 2nd anniversary celebration. Yan. Iniintay na lang, no? Si Attorney Gando.
Pero sabi ko pa sa kaya ko lang.
So maya magsisimula na yan.
Ano plano natin?
So kwanto 162, 163, 164, 165, 166 bus, no? Batch 1982. So ako nasa 166 batch ako, no? Ito ay Solid Ilonggo batch 1982. So magsisimula na ata sila ng programa nila, no? Kahit wala pa si Attorney. Kasi dapat is 4 o'clock, no, ang simula. Ayan, pumasok na sila. Yan atin TikTokers, oh. Yung TikTokers natin, no? TikTokers! Ayan, oh, yung kabats ko. Si Jose Villasin. Yan ang ating TikTokers ng Philippine Marines Batch 82, no? Oh, nandun na pala sila, oh. Ayan, oh. Pasok tayo. Naka-ready na pala sila, oh. Yan, naka-ready na sila, mga tolls and friends. Ayan, pasok tayo. Papasok tayo dito, oh. Saan tayo? Dito lang ako, ah. Ayan, naka-ready naman, ha. Naka-ready naman na yung litso, no. Dali lang ko, guro, ah. Nahuya ko na. Bats, saan tayo po, Bats?
Hindi ko matingo. Ha? Oo.
Ako siyempre lang ko.
Kaya kas kasidya.
Hindi ako dali lang ko kay ga-vlog ko. Dali lang ko kay ga-vlog ko dio. Yan dito ako, no. Yan dito ako ah. Oh. Dito na ako.
Hindi ba kayo?
Hindi dito lang ako nagba-vlog.
Mga driver dito lang sa lipat ako dyan. Ha? Lipat ako dyan. Ay, diyan ka lang sa harap ko.
Magandang hapon sa lahat. Start to inform you that ang ating guest of honor hindi natuloy. Busy si Vice Gov, si Mayor, si Tapsumbang, busy sila lahat. Kasi mayroon silang
Kunin mo na bodyguard dito yan.
program doon
Diyan
sa...
ka-apply sa kanila dito na sa inyo sa kay gobernador.
Kahit wala sila, tuloy natin. Parang ganito rin nangyari sa Dapitan. Kahit wala tayong guest of honor, tuloy pa rin ang ligaya.
Yes, okay.
Okay?
Kami hindi ka butante.
Ano pakialam nila sa atin?
Okay, to start our program, please rise for the invocation. Happy New Year. Let us pour ourselves in the presence of the Lord.
You are exalted in our midst. We ask for forgiveness for every sin we have done. Have mercy on us, our Father. As we start the program today, let your guidance and protection be upon us. Send your spirit to us and give us wisdom. We thank you for all the blessings we have received. We also thank you for the lives of the people in this place. Be glorified in everything we do. In your name pray. Amen.
Please remain standing for the national anthem. Thank you. Please take your seat. To formally begin our program, may I call on Marine Veteran Elmer Hawili or to deliver his welcome remarks.
Magandang hapon po lahat. Ako ay si Elmer Hawili,
Mabuhay!
the incumbent National President of the 6-9ers One Tribe. This General Assembly and Fellowship 2024 with the theme 6-9ers One Tribe 42, diverse and united in celebration of our 42nd graduation anniversary and the 74th Philippine Marine Corps birthday. We hope you will enjoy the event, the fellowship, and the specially prepared Gimarasnon cuisine. To the member of 162nd, 163rd, 164th, 165th, and 166 Marine Basic Class, their families representing respective groups or chapters who came all the way from Zamboanga, Palawan, Davao, Aklan, Antique, Manila, and our host group, Iloilo Group, and Capiz Group. To the Villa Igang Resort for a warm accommodation, maraming salamat po. To those who contributed in making this event reality. To all of you present now, we express our heartfelt gratitude. Your financial and physical contribution, along with your unwavering support, are truly appreciated and acknowledged. With the flame in the heart of every Marine, we gathered in time of the celebration of Marine Corps' birthday, come November 7 for each year. This is also our graduation month that we gather annually to meet and greet our batchmates who would come all the way from all over the archipelago to gather to celebrate of our graduation anniversary that brought us together as one. For our 42 years, now since our graduation from the Philippine Marine Corps boot camp, the 6-9ers One Tribe continue to preserve the band of the Marine Brotherhood. We continue to unite under the banner of the mainstream 6-9ers One Tribe, a brotherhood of 162nd, 163rd, 164th, 165th, and 166 Marine Basic Class. Philippine Marine Corps embracing the spirit of camaraderie and service. As to age, we are being confronted with the organizational challenges along the way, but we remain steadfast to our commitment and uphold the tradition and the discipline that instilled in us by the Marine Corps. In your shared belief, association is linked to the basic unit but most important unit of the society, and that is that the family. As in every home, we find love, respect, understanding, and care for one another. Your mainstream 6-9ers Tribe will continue to function with the support of its group from Aklan, Antique, Davao, Palawan, Zamboanga, Capiz, Manila, and the umbrella of the Iloilo, the mother group. As one big family, we share the same vision towards achieving objectives that we will benefit our batchmates and the respective families. Let me share a quote from Gunnery Sergeant Hartman of the U.S. film Full Metal Jacket, and quote, "Marine dies. That's what we are here for. But the Marine Corps lives forever, and that means you live forever. Close quote. At this juncture, all Marines please stand up and reaffirm the Philippine Marine Corps. Please rise.